What happened?
Oh, shit.
Oh, you got baby oil in your hands.
Yo, what the? I got a mission for you.
What? Whoa, hell no! Put it back!
Oh, hell
Bro, what the
fuck, bro?
Whoa, what is dead ass wrong with that nigga, gang? Kool-Aid.
26. 26? 26.
26? Thank you. Hell yeah. Yo, gang. Yeah, come. Hell yeah, come on.
All right. All right, thank you.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Thank you.
All right, y'all be safe, okay?
Is it Kool-Aid weird?
Bro, that nigga is weird, Makai.
Yeah, I know. He just put baby oil on that shit.
That nigga say he used to work here. How does he know where to stop at and shit? How is he finding us? Like, I know he on stream, but like, 26. Over here.